everyone, Bethany Scott here, and welcome to my channel. Today I am joining you with my coffee in hand, and I have a few goodies. I actually signed up for my first crafty advent calendar. I think I purchased it a few months ago, I believe, and it got shipped in November. But of course, I waited to open it, and now we're several days into December, and I feel like, well, I've waited long enough because technically I'm supposed to open it one a day in December. But it is from the Kindred Stamps, and it is witches, wizards, and crafty folk alike. And a cute little note from Audra. Definitely one of those things that I was like, oh, I'm gonna probably kick myself if I don't get it. But I am so excited because there's just a lot of little goodies in here, and they are a definite Harry Potter theme. So 5, I can open 5. I'm just gonna open them, and I don't know that I'm gonna play quite yet. I'm waiting on a phone call from work, and it should ring any second. So, let's see, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm filming this on the 5th. You will not see this on the 5th because, again, it's a very busy work day. But I just wanted to take a brief moment while I was waiting around, and just to see what's in here, so then I can wet your whistle for maybe splurging or indulging in a crafty advent calendar for next year, or find someone who still has some left and buy it off of them. So the first one, let's open it together, is, oh, I'm excited. I think I saw this one in the group. There's a crafty group. Okay, yep. This is our 3 friends, and it's called the Holiday Trio and Happy Christmas. That's so cute. I think I might have to make like a tag for each of my children. I'm sure they would love that. That's really cute. Okay. They are each getting a Harry Potter item, too, in their Christmas gift. Okay, so here's day 2. Day 2 is... and I'm excited, because this is just one of those things. Okay, so we have... just there are the little tiny trio. There's little peoples in there. That's so cute. And again, Mr. Harry Potter is in here. So these, oh my gosh, really crazy. That's so cool. So I see shakers in my future. So number 3, day 3. Ooh, oh my gosh. I am in the Slytherin. So it is the peppermint flavored lip balm from Kindred Stamps. And I got gummies. Fun. Oh, so cute. Okay, so day 4 is, and I'll have to go look at the Facebook group. I'm sure there's a bunch of stuff to start making along with all of these openings, but oh my god, it's Polly Pocket style, pocket magic. That's really cute. I had a Polly Pocket when I was like, I want to say 5 or 6, and I remember I was devastated. I remember to this day that the Polly Pocket fell out of my pocket at recess. Get it, pocket. At recess, and I could not find it anywhere, and I was devastated because I knew they would be mowing the lawn at some point, and my Polly Pocket would be gone. I still remember that to this day. I have a similar memory with a troll doll being left at a rest stop. All right, day 5. Day 5 is more shaker bags. Oh my gosh. And there's purple. And stars. How pretty. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, so I'm not going to make anything right now, but I just wanted to wet your whistle, let you see kind of what magic is happening with the Kindred Stamps advent calendar. That's what it's called, advent calendar. This is seriously my first one, so I'm really excited because I've never done one before. I've drooled over plenty, of course, but always, you know, if they didn't offer a payment plan, it's just kind of like, no, I'm not going to do it. But this is so cool. I'm really excited, and I will have to spend some time. Maybe Danny will join me, but I will spend some time making a crafty little make with some of these Kindred Stamps goodies soon. But I just wanted to show you all and hope that you are enjoying your December already, that you are taking time to breathe and figuring things out step by step, and hopefully not too overwhelmed by life. I know how it can get this time of year. I've had a few people reaching out to me for various things, and they're just overwhelmed, and I'm like, okay guys, we haven't even finished the first week of December. Like, take a breath. It's okay. You don't have to have everything done now. But it's good to be planned and prepared in advance. Believe me, I don't have a problem with that. So, hi everyone. In a turn of events, I have yet to even edit or post the previous video. So, I'm going to just continue my unboxing of the Kindred Stamps advent calendar because why not? There's a little costume change going on. I don't remember what I was wearing on the other one, but you can at least figure it out from here. But here is day 6, and you can also see how far behind I am in still opening. I actually had this out on my desk on day 6 and then did not actually open it. So, got knocked out with a migraine for a few days, so still in recovery, but so this is the potions stamp set. You can see it here. You don't need a love potion and a little bit of liquid luck for you. Those are really cute. And I think I saw what was in day 7. Yes. I had to feel it to make sure. But it is a coordinating. Let's open it up to verify before I actually know I'm right. I know I'm right. It is a coordinating potion die set. So you got your frogs, or not the potions, but the candy. So you got the frogs, you've got the you can see it here, but the candy box, and then this I think is butterbeer. I don't know. I have to look back at the post. But pumpkin frog treat dies. Oh, so that's just pumpkin drink, I guess. I don't know. I'll have to look at the post a little more thoroughly. Apologies. All right, and then day 8 is this one I didn't sneak peek at yet, so I don't know what it is. I sense dies. Yep. Oh, so this kind of goes along with the potions too. Quills, slugs, and potion. Oh, so the little candy slugs. Yeah. Okay. So more fun to be had. I will hopefully edit and share this one though before I get too far. Oh, so here, let me show you back on the table. I have all of the days 1 through 8 all spread out, minus the little candy that I got. And yeah, so hopefully I will make something this month. Maybe I won't. I'm not sure. But Frankie is coming in to say hi to everybody, and he will help me exit the scene.
I don't want to.
You don't want to? Okay, well, we've been told. But anyways, I thank you all for joining me in this unboxing. I love Harry Potter. As you can see, I am in my Harry Potter sweatshirt today, as Frankie is unboxing my next unboxing. Oh, thank you. He's excited for all the goodies. Let me tell you, this morning he woke up and started digging in my my boxes and putting stuff on my desk for me to play with because he wanted me to make some more cards. So while I may not immediately use the Kindred Stamps advent calendar, I definitely will be using it in the new year if I don't get to it this month. Or maybe that'll just be my Christmas Day fun, is hanging out and doing my full advent calendar. I don't know. We'll see. I make no promises, but I hope to at least spread some joy to you all. So anyways, don't forget to check out the links down below. Support our family, support our crafty...
You can have them back.
Thank you, sweet pea. Support our craftiness and the little man who makes pens now, right? You make your own pens? Yeah, that's what you do while the girls are at school. He makes his own pens. So Danny is selling them officially, but we have an assistant who makes them too. All right. So thank you all for joining me today.
Mommy, can
Yes.
I have graham crackers?
Sure, in a minute. Thank you all for joining us today, and we hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to find the joy in your day, and happy making. Bye. Say bye. Bye.